Hey guys, how you doing? Dan with Mad Nasty Trapping here. Wow, it's weird. I got like a rainbow effect going on my face. Fucking gay leprechauns. Anyways, Dan with Mad Nasty Trapping here. Coming at you, starting off. We gotta get rid of this rainbow. God bless America. What the hell, rainbow on my face? Come on, lighting. Better. Kinda. Lighting sucks in here, but I really don't care. Dan with Mad. Let's try this again. Here we go. This is late night short movies. We got a bunch of short videos coming out for you guys. It's friggin' late and I don't care. I've been gone for the better part of a week and I'm back. So, your next short video, I'm gonna do a preview of what's to come this spring. This segment is called Trapping Rig Rebuild. This spring, I will be doing a multi-part video series on the rebuild of my trapping rig because this season has been absolute hell on my vehicle. And, it's been crazy, guys. It's been crazy. The amount of abuse that this vehicle has taken this season, from the snow to the thaw to the salt to the potholes. This old baby of a truck of mine, I love my vehicle. I dearly do. This boy has seen the better part of 10 years of being out in the woods. The last rebuild I did on this truck was probably 9 years ago. And 9 years of being parked outdoors because it's too big to sit in my garage. Michigan winters. I mean, there's only so much you can do to, baby a vehicle like this when you use it as I do. And, this ain't no pretty boy rig by any means. I use my vehicle. My 6.5-inch long arm lift kit, my 456 gears front and rear, my 35-inch mud chucking tires, 35-inch Nittos, mud grapplers, my crossover steering setup, my Flowmaster exhaust, my K&N intake, and all Moog parts rebuilt every year, ball joints, tire ends, U-joints, and hub bearing assemblies, and all the routine maintenance I do yearly on the suspension on this thing is absolutely killer. But it gets me from the trap line home every dang day of the season, guys. So, no further ado, I got some short videos for you here. And this is a preview of what's to come in the spring, because in the spring, there's a lot of rebuild to do on the body of this baby. It's got a long ways to go, but I ain't giving up on it. It's a 95 Jeep Cherokee 2-door 4.0. And oh yeah, did I mention? I just put a crate motor in here not too dang long ago. This thing's got less than 20,000 miles on it, man. It might say 265,000 on my dash. This baby's got a lot more rolling to go. And I ain't giving up on this rig, no way. And in the spring, it's going to get all brand new sheet metal. I'm talking serious overhaul. And you'll see why. But in the interior of the rig, let me see here real quick. No. Where do I got to hit to whatever? Anyway, inside the rig here, I got all the parts I just changed out in this box. I had my mechanic take a look at it and run through it. And I finally got all the lights working. I had no lights and running on hazard lights for the last few weeks. Paranoia. I had no lights, no dashboard lights, no gauge cluster, no instrument panel, no heat controls, all out. 1 burned out headlight, 2 burned out tail lights, burned out license plate light, burned out dome light, and any other blinkety light that you could blink and imagine. It all burnt, man. Fuses, bulbs, wiring, sockets. Dude, my mechanic did a hell of an overhaul. I got a whole box load of bulbs and stuff. Crazy. But in the rig, that dang radio on the dash don't work right here. That radio in the dash right there. that radio is done toast. So I go and I use I got that speaker there on the dash. That's what I use for my tunes and my phone. And down here, that's your cigarettes, your energy drinks, your coffee, and your McDonald's and everything else this trapping cracker lives on. And you got your bag of bait. You got your bag of pedigree bait down there. And in the back here, we got, let's see what we got in the back here. We have in the back, spare clothes for the daughter. Down here, spare clothes for the daughter. We got some hunting orange. We got some bucket sets, crossbows, guns, and guns and traps in the back. I mean, dang. And in the glove box, in our glove box today, let's see if we can see that right there. In the glove box today, we got ammunition. We got skinning gloves, light bulbs, binoculars, and trapping tags in the little white bags, and skinning gloves, and anything else you can imagine in the glove box. And then the armrest ain't much different. And a couple of spare cigarette lighters, electrical cords, smokes. God dang it, I can't wait for spring cleaning to get all this shit out of here. This is just ridiculous, guys. Anyway, I will show you the exterior of my rig. See what we got here. Okay. Grab my coffee out of here. I'm gonna need that for later. And my Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew and coffee. Wow. Whoa. Set those up on the hood over here. Okay. Exterior of the rig. There we go. We're gonna start off at the back here. Start off at the back. We got the back of the rig here. We got that there. Trump, Ted Nugent, United Sports in America. Right there. And we have more Trump. Back it up. See the window tint on the back? Got some deer antlers, deer skulls, and what the hell on the back of there. And we got the almighty game rack you guys seen before. Got the rack on the back. Yep. Coming around the side here. There. We got rot. That right there on the quarter. Yep, got a little bit stuck in the snow. Thought I could make a turn on a 2-lane and stuffed it in a ditch. And I took that mud tire right there and I shoved it up into the wheel well. And this guy ain't about to call a tow rig to pull me out at 3 o'clock in the morning checking trap lines. That'd be ridiculous. So I grabbed a good old hammer out of the trapping box. And I beat the hell out of my quarter panel, blew the rust out of it, and created enough wheel well gap to go and get myself unstuck. Truck doesn't move with a 35-inch mud tire stuck in the well, so that didn't work. So I got this rig here, jacked up, lifted, and yeah, that's rot number one. So got to put a left quarter panel on it. Right quarter panel ain't much better. It's got rot behind the wheel too. And I had, rocker panel rot. You gotta put new rockers on it. It's toast. Crusty rockers. I gotta put rockers, inner and outer, quarters both sides. And yep. So that's that. Coming up to the front here. My mechanic, he did a number on it. He got my KC lights rocking. outlawdipper.com, Outlaw Dipper YouTube channel. Check them out, guys. Got the flames going on the hood. Paint the forest red on the windshield. And did I mention my floors are falling out of this truck too? This guy supports Trump. And we got our good pile of carcasses. So, trapping rig. 2 rockers, inners and outers, 2 quarters, complete floor pans, need a new headliner, new carpeting would be a beautiful thing, and yeah, I got to rerun through all the suspension in the spring like I do every year, and check the ball joints, hub and bearing assemblies, tie rod ends, and wheel bearings, and U-joints, tie rod ends, and probably shocks, and definitely brake pads and rotors this spring. They're probably beyond due. And I think that's a good start. I think that's a good start, guys. Yeah. I got my work cut out for me. But for all of you guys that don't know any better, my 9 to 5, my 9 to 5 job is I'm a body man. I've been a body man doing collision repair for the last 15 years. So if anybody can fix my own rig, this guy can fix his own rig. And I will be doing a multi-segment video this spring when the trapping season is done on the overhaul and repair of a trapping vehicle. And I will be showing you guys all the steps that go through it to bring it back to a good condition rig again. Not so I can baby it, but just so it can get me by for the next 7 to 10 years on the line. It's going to be a good time, guys. And I'm going to make you enough videos to follow you through all the lengthy process and steps of doing it. And when it's all said and done, I think I might just have to put some tote boxes in the back, organize my traps in the back of the truck along with all my setters and tools and baits, and get everything else all organized inside the vehicle so it's not just a pile of mess like it's been this season. I know where everything is in my truck though, but god dang it, it is a chore. It is an absolute chore running my trap lines with the cluster mess that this thing is. So, not the shortest video in the world, but trapping rig preview of what's to come this spring. Now you guys got it. Stay tuned. I got some more short videos to come. Lengthy short videos. This guy's going to keep on rolling and uploading tonight. Enjoy. Be back with you. Mad Nasty Trapping. Hit that subscribe, hit that notification bell, and hit me with the comments, guys. Thank you.